In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello, my dear students of class metric. Assalamu alaikum. As you know, my dear students, in previous lecture we learned and understood from a railway carriage. It was a poem, and we also did the exercise of it. Today we will learn an important lesson: the dignity of work. So first, we have to understand what is the dignity of the work means, to respect of the work. What work you are being assigned, you just do it. Or you must contribute in the social work. What work you have been given, don't pretend or don't avoid to do it. So accept it or do it joyfully or happily. So this is a story about the dignity of work. In this lesson, and there was a student of Akhtar, and he was busy in doing social work because he was unhappy to do the assigned work by the teachers as well. So what work he was assigned, what he was made to do the work. He was made by the teacher to clean the room as well. And teachers were too busy to empty the dustbin as well. So, but Akhtar was cross or unhappy how he was made to do this, because he thought that this was not his work, because this work was a servant. So Mr. Nayat, who was his uncle and recently visited them, he taught them this was a social work, everybody must do it. And he also gave the example of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, and other notable personality, because they did their own work by their hands. Okay, so in this lesson we will also learn about the dignity of work. As Akhtar came late from school one day, he was feeling cross and looked untidy. When mother asked him the reason, he didn't answer. So because everybody was surprised, surprised of the crossing of the Akhtar date, why he is unhappy today. So Mr. Nath came to visit them. The children were very happy to see him because he had been to many parts of the world and always told them he had been many parts of the world. It means he had visited many parts of the world. So here the Akhtar's sister son told the Akhtar's about the Akhtar's crossness to Mr. Nayad, who was his uncle. So when Mr. Nayad inquired the reason of the crossness or unhappiness, Akhtar told his uncle that it is the reason the teacher made the dust cupboard and the desk. So why he was unhappy? Because Uncle looked at him and asked him what had happened. He said, Uncle, we are having the social service work at school. So what were they doing? Social service work at school, and have to do the work of servant and gardeners. What work they were doing? As a servant and gardeners. The teacher made me dust the cupboard and the desk. Okay, so the teacher made him dust the cupboard and the desk. Uncle says, is the work that make you cross? This is the reason that make you unhappy. So you must not to be unhappy, because this is a social work. This is a good work to do by your hands as well. Akhtar says, should I not be cross if I am made to work like a servant? Because so the reason behind it, that the Akhtar thought that I was made to do the work like a servant or gardeners. So because whenever one do the work with his hand, this is not behave like a servant or a gardener, because it's everybody's responsibility. One must do the work with his hands. So Akhtar asked, says, "Oh dear, yes, after we had taken out the desk and chairs, the teacher swept the room and emptied the dustbin. Teachers were also contributed in the social work in his school. The headmaster cleaned the bathroom, and which made us all feel ashamed. So is it matter of shame to clean what we also make dirty? So definitely what things we make dirty, we should clean ourselves. So here also examples of the a great personality of the world. So because the noble example of Holy Prophet, he would never ask anyone to do anything which he himself would not do. He loved doing work for himself and for others. So because Uncle also gave the example to Akhtar that the Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, would also do his work by his hands, and he would also do others' work by his hands as well. He also gave to the other personalities that the Hazrat Abu Bakr not only did his own work but also fetched word for widows and neighbors. Okay, he also did his work by himself and others as well, and who were very old and had no one to work for him. As Hazrat Umar once carried on his shoulder a large sack of flour for a needy family, Hazrat Ali labored, means worked in the garden of the Jew and gave away his wages in charity. Hazrat Fatima fetched water, ground corn, and swept the house. Caliph Umar bin Abdul Aziz refused to hire a servant to help his wife. Okay, so these are the great example for doing his own works. Okay, they didn't think that they are servant or gardener as well, because these were their work as well. As Caliph Muhammad Rashid served not only himself but also his guests. Sultan Nasruddin earned his living by making caves. Okay, because he knows the skill of making the caves, he did it for himself as well. Emperor Aurangzeb by transcribing the Holy Quran. So because these are the great examples of the notable personalities, eminent personalities to do the work with by their hand. Okay, so because here we have to understand the importance of the work, respect or value of the work. So what is the value of work when we do? Okay, we should not be ashamed, we should not be feel shy to do our own work as well. So because that's why the Akhtar was unhappy, because he was made to clean the cupboard and dustbin as well. So as if there were teachers who were also busy in doing this social work. Okay, so here is an answer to these questions. Why did Akhtar not answer his mother? Okay, this was homework for you, and you have to go through the lesson and to write the answer to these questions as well. What did Mr. Inayat tell the children? What reason did Akhtar give his uncle for being cross? Because why he was unhappy? What did the teacher do himself? What did the Holy Prophet love? Were the company of the Holy Prophet like him? Yes, of course. What did Hazrat Abu Bakr do? What did Hazrat Fatima do? How did Sultan Nasruddin earn his living? By making caps. Okay. What does everyone do in China? Okay. Oh, in the last in China, it means everyone and do their works in a years. Even the Prime Minister and his wife do their work in factory or in a field, because they want to feel other person that the respect or the value of the work as well. So here so because my dear student, this is a homework for you to answer to these questions. So learn the meaning and spelling of the following words from the lesson. Okay, cross means unhappy, repair to make, favorite means like, treat means to behave, seem, okay, to means to see, ashamed means shame, to shy, strange, okay, odd means strange, main means to stitch means or to aid, fetch means to go and bring something, example, okay, human beings means creation. So here you have to also match these words, cross, reason, pleasant, surprise, and you have to cross means related word or synonym to another, means in number A which words are belong to number B, you have to cross it. So this is also homework for you. Okay, my dear students. Now what homework you are going to assign? You have to write in your own words the value of the work or dignity of the work. Okay, in your own words. And second, you have to give the answer to these questions as well. And in the third, you have to also match these words number A to B according to your related meaning as well. Okay, in the next lecture we will also do the rest of the exercise. Okay, thank you my dear students.